Hello developers. We might not use or have using Chat GPT to its full potential. Let me explain. Last week I saw this new product called Tome.app that creates presentation deck of your startup idea. So Tome generates a lot of AI images and content using OpenAI. Now I was wondering how it is possible to get those clean and accurate images as well as content. I mean, when I used ChatGPT to get the same image and content, it wasn't good and accurate. I used ChatGPT API also to get the same image and content. It again wasn't good and accurate. So after researching, I found this that a lot of developers are using this concept called prompt engineering. It's a way to provide better prompt. Look at this website called prompts.chat that basically provide tons of prompts to understand how to ask good question to ChatGPT to get best answer. So next time, ask good question until you get the best answer. That's it for today. Until next time, have a good day and don't forget to subscribe.